Did you know that delaying application reviews can cost you top talent? Quick reviews not only enhance hiring outcomes, but also show respect to applicants. Let's explore why timely reviews are crucial for your school. PowerSchool offers various application statuses. Application received means the applicant awaits your update. Application under review indicates you're considering next steps. Avoid leaving applications in received status for more than 2 days. Use position closed, not hired for one of the following cases. You and your team have interviewed an applicant and are no longer considering them for the position, or if an applicant is not eligible for the position due to certification, education, etc. Understanding these statuses helps streamline your hiring process and avoid common pitfalls. To update the application status for applicants, you can begin by clicking Dashboard to view the list of active postings. Click Applications for the posting you are interested in viewing. In the next screen, you will see all the applicants that are interested in the position. After you review their application, credentials, and eligibility, you can select the box next to their name to update their application status. We recommend doing this status change in bulk. Select all the applications you and the hiring team have reviewed, scroll to the bottom, and in the Bulk Action menu, select Application Status to update the status. Click Go and a menu of options will pop up. Your options are Application Under Review or Position Closed Not Hired. In this example, I am selecting Position Closed Not Hired since the applicant is ineligible. You may select the most appropriate status as you are reviewing candidates. Real-time updates to applicant statuses are vital. They ensure accurate workflow stages, aiding in better decision-making. Keep your application management organized by regularly monitoring and updating statuses. Consider setting reminders to review applications daily or at least every other day. This practice not only keeps your workflow accurate, but also enhances the overall efficiency of your hiring process. Let's recap. Timely reviews, understanding application statuses, and maintaining accurate workflows are key. These steps ensure a smooth hiring process and better outcomes for both applicants and your organization. By implementing these practices, you'll streamline your hiring process, making it more efficient and respectful. This approach not only benefits the district and your school, but also enhances the applicant experience. Take action today. Review applications promptly, update applicant status regularly, and commit to an organized workflow. Together, we can improve hiring outcomes and build a stronger team. Next, we will review how to send interview invitations to applicants that you and your team are interested in meeting.